Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can enter the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. So let me tap on it and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage. And here let's tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got the full list of available updates which we can download. So you can of course mark all of them. If not, just choose specific options. I'll choose maybe Google Chrome and Drive, and then tap on this update icon. So now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.